Today we create a rolling film credit inside Premiere Pro, like this. So let's start. First, we create a full HD sequence you can see here. And hit OK. Now we have a sequence. And go to the graphics window. Before we started, I am showing you these shortcuts. We use these three shortcuts: V for the selection tool, Escape for the exit, and T for the type tool. You can remember this for work faster. Now select type tool and type text. Now you can see here this window. Here we change all text properties. I am writing randomly movie name. You can write your proper name. Now we change the font from regular to bold. And set the position in the center. You can see this red line here. This basically shows the center of the screen. If you can't find this, go to the wrench and select this option. This will guide you. Text alignment is correctly set. Now add our second text here. We just copy this first text by just pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Decrease the size you can see. We change the font to look better. Otherwise, the choice is yours. If you like the same font, don't need to change. I am decreasing the size more and changing the text. Now set the position. This is looking good. I am scaling this little bit. We again duplicate this text. Now change the position down and change the text. I use a random name. And set the position where it looks good. You can change this regular to bold, whatever you like. Next again we duplicate the text and change the names. We write actors. Next duplicate the text again, and this time I click here and decrease the size. And set the position like this. I am writing random names, you can add yours. Now copy this again and set the anchor point like this. Click on the first text, and turn off the bold. Now, you can see our titles are ready. You can also get some changes according to you what looks better. You can also add an image and your logos to this credits. First we copy text and give some title, where I add an image. Now for adding image or logo, click here. And select from File. Locate the location. Where your image. And simply open. You can see it, here it is. To set the position and scale, simply select the image and set the right position. Now you can see this, all credits are ready. We gonna rolling this all now. You just simply click here the roll option. See, so all the text is rolling now. You can see this is very slow, because our text layer is too long. You can adjust the speed of this with just crop and stretch this. You can see now this is good. Next, you can save this as a template, so you don't need to do this all again. Simply right-click on the text layer and export it as a motion graphic template. Here you can see it. And give the name. Select the location where you want to save this, so you can use this ladder. Thanks for watching. To get more motion graphics templates, check this video, and don't forget to subscribe to a channel.